Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. In this video we will discuss about Google Cloud Workspace. Google Cloud Workspace is designed to support strategic privacy and security standards based on industry best practices. A cloud first browser based approach that is constantly updated. No need for local devices, native apps, or email attachments. Built-in controls, encryption, and verification with a zero trust approach that enables employees to work from anywhere and eliminates the need for VPN. Operating on a global scale to protect your organization information from phishing, malware, ransomware, and supply chain attacks. No add-ons required, making everyone safer with secure endpoints, company provided or BYOD that do not require patching and strong account takeover protections. So you can learn more about how Google Workspace can protect your business. Find the right plan for your business. Try it free for 14 days. Choose the Google Workspace edition that best fits your businesses. So there are some basic packages business standard that will cost you $12 US dollars. So you can start with this package. Now we will discuss that we started with Google Workspace all the way from beginning. Everybody can come in together and work on these shared documents, shared spreadsheets, keeping track of financials. It is a big deal for us to keep things moving. So with Google Workspace and AppSheet, BHI has turned into a digital company with real-time data allowing for real-time decisions, calibration, and transparency in a decentralized environment. We wanted a system that provides effective collaboration and communication tools without geographical boundaries. It also had to be economic, intuitive, secure, and future proof. Everything your existing system was not. Google Workspace met those requirements. Getting everyone to move to Google Workspace was no problem because they understood the integration between the tools and knew the ease of use would make their lives easier. So thank you for watching this video. Please keep on watching my channel. Thank you.